Alright, David Harry here, and in the past I've spoken about a problem that I've had with my GoPro Hero 8 Black in the fact that it gets condensation on the inside of the front lens element on its lens system. Here's a video showing exactly what the problem is. Okay, so I'm just out at the moment and I've just realised that condensation's appeared again on the front glass, or inside on the front glass element of the GoPro, and as we can clearly see here, the condensation is all just up in the corner here. Now I'll just give the screen a rub just so you can see it's not on the outside. Now the thing is, that is on the inside. I've been out now for half an hour recording, and that is going to be all over all of the recordings. Now that condensation was worse obviously earlier on, I just hadn't noticed it, so that's what it looks like after half an hour. Okay, so as we could clearly see there was definitely condensation on the inside of the front glass element within the lens system for the GoPro Hero 8 Black. Now there's only one way that you can get condensation on any surface, and that's if you've got some form of moisture around or water. So this will clearly indicate that there is moisture within inside the body of the GoPro Hero 8 Black, or at least on my one. Now the only thing that I can surmise here is that water or condensation or vapor or whatever is inside happened during the manufacturing stages of the GoPro Hero 8 Black, or at least my one, because it is obvious that with that being a waterproof system, and I've never put it in water, the only way that could have had water or moisture inside was from its manufacturing process. Now what I'm going to do here, I'm going to make GoPro aware of this because I want a replacement for this unit, and here's why. One, it hasn't been built properly as far as I'm concerned, and two, if further down the line something ever goes wrong with my GoPro and I send it back to GoPro and then they turn around and go, oh no, but it's got moisture in it. Well, we all know why, and it wasn't because I put it there either. So this is a serious problem as far as I'm concerned. Anyway, like I say, I'm going to make GoPro well aware of this issue. I'm going to ask them for a replacement for that unit because it's obviously faulty, and I will also do a follow-up to this video to let people know exactly how I got on. If you're interested in any of the stuff that I do with my GoPro videos, just go to www.gopro9.com, which will initially take you to a playlist showing you all the stuff that I do with my GoPro Hero 8 Black, the Media Modern and other videos, and in the future that will also link to a small website showing all of my GoPro videos. And if you found this video interesting or insightful or anything like that, please consider giving it a thumbs up, maybe subscribe to my channel and click on that bell notification icon for future videos. Anyway, I'm David Harry, thank you very much for watching this video, take care and goodbye now.